I'm at the Pizza Company in Surin Thailand. We're having a lunch outside. Something today that's not Thai.
Before we came here, you met someone who.
We went to see Dave with Got to Love Thailand.
Wow, his house very nice.
Went to visit at his house.
Yeah, have the koi and the pool is so nice. And we will have a meeting again, huh? Meet up.
Yeah, we're gonna meet up possibly Saturday to go out for lunch when his wife is home.
Yeah,
Nit Noi.
นิดหน่อย On Saturday, we don't know the place good enough, like a นิดหน่อย นิดหน่อย will choose.
She'll choose for us.
Wait for the food. Hungry?
I'm hungry now.
Me too.
I see the food made me hungry. The Pizza Company in Surin Plaza. It looks like a pretty good place to eat. The pizza looked fairly good. We'll see when it comes.
My phone number is gone.
Pizza. I'm gonna have pepperoni pizza today. See how it works out here in Thailand. This is the first thing we got with our meal. It is fish sticks.
Fish stick. So cute, huh?
Yeah, that looks good. What do you have?
Fish stick.
Okay.
Yummy.
And our meal is going to be pretty awesome. Jai is having the Thai spaghetti. I'm having the pepperoni pizza, and it looks really good. I haven't tasted it yet. We already wolfed down all the fish sticks, and we still have some onion rings to go. Now tell me.
Delicious.
This is really good. Get me a little tartar sauce on my fish stick.
Yummy. Good.
No more tartar sauce for you, I dip.
Okay. Yeah, you can eat it. No problem. My food is not come yet. I have what I have? I have spaghetti, huh? All of this is your food, huh? This is like a they come with the set, huh? All of the set is $3.99.
A special.
Special set, $3.99. And add with water or everything, $4.24. $4.24.
Now tell me if this is not some greasy, yummy, greasy food. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to us. This is Bobby and Jai. Time to get going. Please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it.